All right, let the record reflect that the jury seated, state's attorneys present, defendant and defense counsel are present. At this time, I'd ask the foreperson, has the jury reached a verdict?
Your Honor, we have.
And is it the unanimous decision of all of the members of the jury?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Thank you, sir. You can hand it to the bailiff, please. Mr. Johnson, if you'll please rise. We, the jury, find the defendant, Romeo R. Johnson, aka Romeo Randolph Johnson, guilty of unlawful possession of a firearm by felon as charged in the indictment. It's got the signature and the printed name of the foreperson. You may be seated. Does either party wish to have the jury polled?
The state did not. Yes, Your Honor.
So what that means, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm just going to go through and ask each one of you individually if this was your decision and your vote. And so I'm going to start on the top and go across and then come back around. So I'll start with the top. Ma'am, was this your individual verdict?
Yes.
Sir, was it yours?
Yes.
Ma'am, was it yours?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, was it yours? And sir?
Yes.
Ma'am, was it yours? And then we'll come down here. Sir, was this your individual verdict?
Yes.
Sir, was it yours?
Yes.
Sir, was it yours?
Yes.
And ma'am, was it yours?
Yeah.
And sir, was it yours? All right, thank you very much. And what that means at this time is I will accept your verdict, and at this time find Mr. Johnson guilty of the offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. That means that the first phase of the trial is complete, and we'll move into the second phase, which is the punishment phase of the trial. And Mr. Coleman and Mr. Wilkerson, are y'all ready to proceed? Do you need just a short break?
State's ready to proceed. Defense is ready, Your Honor.
All right, and so Mr. Coleman, if you will read the remainder of the indictment. Do you have it handy? Okay,
Said.
that's the enhancement paragraph. He'll need to plead true or not true to that.
And the grand jurors aforesaid, upon their oaths aforesaid, do further present in and to said court at said term that before the commission of the primary offense, the defendant was finally convicted of the felony of robbery second degree on March 9th, 2015, in clause number 14-21127 in the criminal district court of Jefferson County, Texas, against the peace and dignity of the state.
And is that allegation true or not true?
True.
Okay, have a seat. Right. All right, let the record reflect state's attorneys present, defendant and defense counsel are present. I've received a message that the jury has reached a verdict on punishment. You can bring the jury in. Let the record reflect the jury seated, state's attorneys present, defendant and defense counsel are present. At this time, I'll ask the foreperson, has the jury reached a verdict on punishment?
Your Honor, we have.
And is it the unanimous decision of all of the members of the jury?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor, it is.
Thank you, sir. You can hand it to the bailiff. Mr. Johnson, we, the jury, having found the defendant, Romeo R. Johnson, aka Romeo Randolph Johnson, guilty of the offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by felon, find that the accusation of a prior conviction has been proved true. We assess the defendant's punishment at imprisonment in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for a term of 15 years and no fine. You can have a seat. Does either party wish to have the jury polled?
State, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And so is there any reason at this point not to pronounce sentence?
Not from the state. Not from the defense.
All right, Mr. Johnson, then at this time, in conformity with the jury's verdict, I sentence you to a term of 15 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've already been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. You can have a seat, sir. I've handed you two things already. The first is the trial court certification of your right to appeal. Obviously, this was not any type of agreement. You have a right to appeal. Mr. Wilkerson will talk to you about that. I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you, obviously. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition or about how long that lasts, you can also talk with Mr. Wilkes. At this time, I'm going to remand you to the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department until transportation to the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. And ladies and gentlemen, at this time, that what that means is that the case is over. I'm gonna let them kind of get out of here for a second. I'm gonna come visit with you informally just for a few minutes. You'll be released from your instructions that you were previously given. We all appreciate your time. Thank you, Mr. Coleman, Mr. Smith. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. And at this time, you can take Mr. Johnson to the back. And court will be in recess. If everyone would please excuse yourself from the courtroom.